Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to be using a clothespin to make some marks. I'm going to use both ends so that the marks are, they're fairly even but just different widths apart and slightly different shapes, but obviously with it being two marks you can do more stamping shapes. I have a couple of different colors of pages, and I have some white, really dark green, and a beige. So I'm going to start out with the beige, and this was like a peach and a darker brown color. I'm wondering, so I used some fluid acrylic for the beige, and I'm wondering if it's going to be a little bit too thin, but we're going to test it and see, and just see. Okay, so yeah, so the fluid acrylic is a little thin, so you could always use regular acrylics, but this is what I had for a beige, so I'd probably have to mix up a lighter one because I don't think I have a tube paint in this color, and it blended with a little bit of the white that I have on there, but I don't care. And this goes a little bit quicker since there's two, but you can just fill up your page. Okay, so that one's all done. I like that I picked something other than white. I've been using a lot of white for my top layers on things. And so the next one I want to do, I was thinking about doing one of my green ones, and I think I might do this one and then do the dark green on top. But I like the mark making with that one, and even though there's two parts, it does look a little different. Like each little stamp isn't going to be the same. So I'm going to try the other end, and I just dipped it in my paint, and I think it's going to be similar but just a little bit darker and a little farther apart. So depending on what you want your marks to look like. Oh, I do like that too. Okay, that one turned out really well. I could also see a dark green background and a super light green on the foreground. But I think I'm going to do this brown page, and I might just do the beige again. But that dark green looks nice, so I'm gonna do, I might actually mix it a little bit. So it's gonna be a mix of the beige and white, so they're not gonna look all the same. Okay, let's do that. So just get a little mix of color in those, and we'll just go Okay, so that one is also all done. I really like that. I'm glad I mixed the color a little bit just so that will look a little bit different. I might do one or two more just on my blank pages, and I'm thinking just gonna get my black out and do that on my own time, but I'll show you what those look like in the final pictures. But just super easy. I think I got a pack of 50 for like $3. Very, very easy tool, and whatever you don't use, you can use them for other things around the house. So I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.